L for light. We are going to have a look at the L phonic. Let's play a game. What do you think? I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Can you name as many L phonic words as you can? How many words could you think of? Playing games is so much fun for me. Let's play one more game. Did you know that you have to exercise your eyes before you read? The next game is going to exercise our eyes. Look straight to the front. Follow the light with your eyes. You're only allowed to move your eyes, not your head. Are you ready? Here we go. Perfect. Now we can start to learn and listen. Learn to read. Lemon. Lips. Leopard. Lamb. Ladder. Learn. Laugh. Lake. Light. Love. Can you make oral sentences using these words? I'm going to give you some time to make your sentences. Choose a word. Make your sentence. You don't have to make sentences with all the words. When you write down sentences, it is important not to start with the same word every time. Here are a couple of words to help you start your sentences and to make it more interesting. These words always starts with a capital letter because it's the beginning of a sentence. This, he, that. In, the, on, their, my, we, I. Can you make a sentence starting with these words? Let's learn. Homophones. Leave, leave. Words that sound the same but have different spelling and meaning. Listen to the following sentences. They wave and leave. This leaf is yellow. Homonyms. Light, light. Words that sound the same with the same spelling but have different meanings. Listen to these sentences, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. I switch on the light. It is very light outside. Homo means one of a kind. Learn to read. This is a lemon. On the farm is a lamb. My heart is full of love. The dog laughs. I switch on the light. Sentences always starts with a capital letter. And ends with a full stop. Learn to read. We have 2 lips. That is what we have to learn. He climbs on the ladder. There is a big lake. In the jungle is a leopard. Sentences always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Can you remember the video about the reading and writing rhyme? From top to bottom and from left to right. This man is very tall. Small phonic L. Start at the dot at the man's head. Go all the way down to his feet. The tall man gets a bit lifeless. He sits on the sand. Capital L phonic. Start at the dot at the man's head. Go all the way down to the sand. Make a sharp corner and turn right. Follow his legs. Go to his toes. You've learned a lot together with the L phonic.